2011, Japan earthquake and tsunami.
8.9 magnitude. Now we know that's a big number. It was the 5th largest earthquake in history.
HARP weather weapon conspiracies. After the March 11, 2011 Tohoku quake and tsunami,
a catastrophic tsunami rising out of the Pacific, its huge waves sweeping away everything in its path.
Online conspiracists claimed unusual ionospheric heating, seen by NASA, was due to HARP, suggesting the quake was artificially induced. Fact-checkers and scientists reject this. HARP is a research station in Alaska that cannot trigger earthquakes, and experts emphasize the disaster's tectonic cause. These debunked theories nevertheless have high YouTube interest and reflect how catastrophic events spawn secret weapon myths. 2011 Fukushima nuclear meltdowns, cover-up, apology. Tokyo Electric Power Company, TEPCO, quietly downplayed the Fukushima disaster. In 2016, TEPCO's president publicly apologized.
当期純損失は連結単独ともに過去最大の赤字となりました。
Admitting executives knowingly hid information, instructing staff not to use the word meltdown, despite simulations showing core breaches. Critics point out this delay in disclosure effectively covered up the severity of reactor failures in 2011, exposing tens of thousands to potential harm. The episode remains controversial. Some ask whether top officials faced accountability for misleading the public.
2011 Fukushima radiation fallout, concealed data, and public risk. In early 2011, a Japanese researcher, Satoshi Utsunomiya, found extremely high levels of radioactive cesium in Tokyo air samples, but his results were held back for years. This suggests authorities suppressed fallout data. The secrecy fueled claims that the true extent of contamination was covered up and has led to debates on long-term health effects. Environmentalists cite the delayed publication as evidence of a government/industry cover-up after the 2011 disaster. 2011 Christchurch NZ earthquake conspiracies debunked. The devastating February 2011 Christchurch quake generated viral theories that it was caused by man-made means, for example, HARP, U.S. neutrino experiments. For instance, a popular podcast interview falsely claimed an Antarctic neutrino detector triggered the quake.
Directed energy weapon systems responsible for the earthquakes in Christchurch, New Zealand. It detects the neutrinos that are apparently coming off of the new exotic propulsion systems.
AFP fact-checkers quickly debunked these, confirming the IceCube Neutrino Observatory couldn't have caused any quake. Authorities emphasized the quake was purely geological. The tech-based conspiracy spread online with no factual basis. 2011 Thailand floods, political sabotage, conspiracy. In late 2011, Thailand's record monsoon floods, which drowned a third of Bangkok, sparked wild rumors of sabotage. Some supporters of the ruling party claimed the opposition had secretly released dam water to undermine the government. An academic report notes these claims explicitly. A conspiracy was rumored that the opposition had intentionally filled dams with water to cause floods. These unproven allegations shifted blame from climate factors to politics, illustrating how disasters can be politicized with conspiracy tales. 2011 Queensland floods, Australia, La Niña versus climate change debate. The January 2011 Queensland floods killed 35 and caused billions in damage. Australia's meteorological agencies blamed an unusually strong La Niña for record rains. However, climate scientists later showed ocean temperatures were unusually warm, which significantly amplified the deluge. This generated debate. Was the extreme flooding simply a natural La Niña event or exacerbated by global warming? Researchers note the warming oceans added considerably more moisture to the atmosphere, supporting climate-driven intensification. 2011 to present weather weapon conspiracies, HARP, chemtrails, etc. A broad category of theories claims secret projects like HARP or chemtrail programs control weather disasters. Fact-checkers repeatedly debunk these. For example, a Reuters analysis of 2024 New Mexico floods noted no evidence that HARP can alter weather. Similarly, a NZ fact-check pointed out that recent storms in Australia/NZ were natural events, not engineered by any government project. Despite authoritative denials, these myths remain popular on social media, feeding debates over whether disasters are natural or man-made. 2011 to 2024 Florida storms, chemtrails, and weather modification theories. In the aftermath of severe hurricanes, conspiracists alleged that governments were secretly seeding clouds or spraying chemicals, also known as chemtrails, to influence storms. This even prompted a 2025 Florida bill to ban weather modification experiments, spurred by viral rumors of hurricane tampering. Critics mocked the bill, but it shows how strongly chemtrail theories have influenced public discourse. The conspiracy narrative claims, erroneously, that visible jet condensation trails contain toxic agents, a claim debunked by scientists. Nonetheless, the Florida episode underscores how hurricane damage fuels misinformation about covert weather control. 2011 to 2025 U.S. floods, cloud seeding conspiracy theory. Major floods often draw accusations of cloud seeding experiments gone wrong. For example, after deadly Texas floods in April 2025, social media claimed a cloud seeding operation caused the downpour. A CBS News fact-check scotched this. Experts said the heavy rain came from a stalled low-pressure system, and that local cloud seeding projects are far too limited to produce such floods. Such rumors tend to recycle older fears about weather manipulation. Even lacking evidence, these conspiracy memes persist on YouTube and Twitter during flood crises, deflecting from real causes like stalled storms and climate change. 2011 earthquake prediction debates, precursory signals. Scientists remain divided on whether large quakes give detectable warnings. In 2023, one study claimed that GPS measurements showed accelerating slow slip under the epicenters hours before magnitude 7 earthquakes worldwide. A year later, other geophysicists reanalyzed the data and found no genuine precursory signal. The back and forth in peer-reviewed journals highlights a real scientific dispute. Can we predict quakes via subtle pre-shocks or slow ground slips? This issue arouses controversy and sometimes scare stories in earthquake-prone regions, reflecting how science grapples with earthquake forecasting. 2011 to 2023 Turkey/Syria earthquakes, government negligence. Devastating quakes can raise questions about government response. In Turkey, the 6th of February 2023, M7.8 earthquake killed over 50,000 people. Investigations found Turkey had long neglected enforcement of seismic building codes, and that mandatory disaster drills were mere window dressing. Critics accuse the government of corruption and cover-ups for ignoring warnings and permitting unsafe construction. The scandal has sparked heated blame game debates locally, although it is not specific to 2011 events. It illustrates, however, how earthquake disasters often trigger scrutiny of official failings. 2011 U.S. tornado outbreaks, Joplin, Tuscaloosa, weather weapon theories. After the deadly 2011 tornadoes, for example, Joplin, Missouri on May 22, 2011, fringe conspiracists alleged they were not random but caused by secret military programs like HARP, aiming to manipulate weather. ABC News reported that internet rumors even tied Alabama's 2011 tornado outbreak to the same Alaska-based tech. There is absolutely no evidence for such claims. Meteorologists attribute these as natural supercell storms. Nonetheless, such conspiracies drew massive online attention, showing how major tornado events fuel government weapon fears. 6. 2024 Hurricane Milton, cloud seeding conspiracy. In October 2024, Hurricane Milton impacted Florida and Georgia. Social media buzzed with a dubious theory that Milton had been seeded by a clandestine weather control project. Experts immediately debunked this. Milton's track and intensity were consistent with a normal tropical storm. A Prevention Web report noted that conspiracists were pushing this narrative on TikTok, but meteorologists said there was no unusual cloud seeding or radiation involved. This example underscores how even routine hurricanes can spark unfounded weather engineering myths. 2023 California wildfires, disinformation and conspiracy claims. The early 2023 wildfire season in Southern California, for example the Orange County brush fire, saw a surge of conspiracy posts. Some falsely claimed environmentalists or foreign agents had started the blazes, or that the state intentionally let fires burn for political gain. A Prevention Web analysis reports viral photos and videos, many altered, circulating misleading ideas about the fires. In reality, while arson is occasionally a cause, fire experts stress that hot, dry conditions from climate change are the primary driver. Officials repeatedly debunked the conspiracies, but the flood of disinformation complicated the public understanding of the crisis. 2025 Cyclone Alfred, Australia. Geoengineering theories. When Cyclone Alfred struck northern Australia in March 2025, some online theories labeled it an artificial storm created by secret geoengineering, HARP, or seeding projects. Scientists and disaster experts immediately refuted this. Alfred formed in a usual way over warm seas under tropical conditions. Prevention Web noted these conspiracy posts claiming cloud seeding caused the rain spread on social media, but they had no scientific basis. As with many disasters, the false idea that the cyclone was man-made gained traction briefly before fact-checkers explained that it was a natural event. 2023 New Zealand Cyclone Gabrielle, HARP myths. Similarly, Cyclone Gabrielle, North Island, New Zealand, February 2023, was accompanied by viral hoaxes. Misinformation claimed it was a weather weapon attack via HARP or cloud seeding. Again, fact-checkers quickly debunked these claims. Gabrielle's formation was meteorologically normal. The New Zealand RMIT fact-check noted that such sophisticated disasters are often falsely attributed to secret tech, but in reality, both Gabrielle and subsequent earthquakes were natural. This controversy highlights how disaster events can trigger geoengineering theories, despite a complete lack of supporting data, too. 2024 Brazil floods, pole shift conspiracy. In May 2024, historic floods hit southern Brazil. Some social media posts absurdly blamed shifting Earth's magnetic poles for intensifying the rains. AFP fact-checkers labeled this claim baseless. Climate scientists explained that heavy rainfall was driven by an El Niño-enhanced pattern, not magnetism. NASA and others noted no physical mechanism links pole movement to weather. This incident became a textbook case of a conspiracy theory, blamed a natural disaster on a pseudo-scientific pole shift myth that had no evidence behind it. 2019 to 2020 Australian Black Summer bushfires, arson versus climate disinformation.
It's been described as hell on earth.
Fireys are battling desperately.
For the first time, a catastrophic danger warning's been issued.
During the catastrophic 2019 to 20 wildfires in Australia, two main conspiracy narratives circulated: an arson emergency claim and a greenies hinder firefighting claim. Social media even alleged ISIS agents were running arson campaigns and that firefighters were blocked by environmentalists. The Guardian reported authorities debunked these claims, noting that climate change is the dominant factor lengthening fire seasons. Prominent scientists and officials criticized the misleading stories. For instance, an esteemed climate expert warned that climate change is playing a prominent role, while conspiracies about lasers or trains were labeled outrageous falsehoods. This controversy illustrates how easily public anger during a disaster can be hijacked by disinformation campaigns. 2024 12,000-year cosmic cycle, climate conspiracy. In 2024, a viral YouTube video claimed a cataclysmic 12,000-year cosmic cycle was heating Earth's core and driving global climate changes. The theory suggested a mythical planet or cosmic event, not greenhouse gases, was to blame. A AP fact check examined this and declared it false. Experts pointed out there's no evidence of any 12,000-year cycle affecting climate, and geological records show no such sudden shifts. Scientists reaffirm that current extreme weather stems from anthropogenic warming, and warned that these cosmic doom theories are baseless conspiracy folklore. Yellowstone supervolcano, overdue eruption, myth. Pop culture often sensationalizes Yellowstone, claiming its caldera must erupt soon. USGS scientists explicitly debunk this. Yellowstone is not overdue for a super eruption. In fact, past super eruptions at Yellowstone have been hundreds of thousands of years apart, with the last one approximately 630,000 years ago. Current magma chambers are mostly solid, so another cataclysmic blast isn't imminent. This myth persists on YouTube and social media, but government experts repeatedly reassure the public that no large eruption is predicted. 12.